Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young girl named Alika. Alika was a bright and adventurous spirit who loved to explore the world around her. With her golden locks cascading down her shoulders and a twinkle in her hazel eyes, she captured the hearts of everyone she met. Alika had a special gift, an extraordinary imagination. She could turn an ordinary walk through the woods into a grand adventure, and a simple tea party with her stuffed animals into a royal affair. Her imagination knew no bounds, and she believed that anything was possible. One sunny day, as Alika wandered through the forest, she stumbled upon a hidden pathway she had never seen before. Curiosity got the better of her, and she followed the winding trail, unsure of where it would lead. The pathway twisted and turned, leading her deeper into the heart of the enchanted woods. As Alika ventured deeper, the trees seemed to whisper secrets to her, and the sunlight danced through the leaves, creating a magical ambience. Suddenly, she spotted a flicker of light in the distance. Her heart raced with excitement, and she quickened her pace. To her amazement, the source of the light was a tiny, injured fairy. The fairy's name was Aurora, and she had lost her way while flying through the forest. Aurora's wings were damaged, and she was unable to return to her fairy kingdom. Alika's kind heart couldn't bear to see Aurora in distress. Without hesitation, she gently picked up the tiny fairy and cradled her in her hands. Determined to help her new friend, Alika set off on a quest to find a cure for Aurora's injured wings. Their journey took them to various corners of the mystical land. They encountered wise old owls, mischievous pixies, and graceful unicorns along the way. Each creature they met shared a piece of wisdom or a clue to aid them in their quest. Together, Alika and Aurora faced many challenges, but their unwavering friendship and belief in the power of dreams propelled them forward. They braved treacherous terrains, crossed roaring rivers, and overcame magical obstacles, all in pursuit of restoring Aurora's wings. Finally, after a long and arduous journey, they arrived at the sacred grove, where the rare and magnificent starflowers bloomed. Legend had it that the nectar from these flowers possessed magical healing properties. Alika and Aurora carefully gathered the precious nectar, and with trembling hands, Alika applied it to Aurora's injured wings. As if by magic, the tiny wings began to shimmer and mend, growing stronger with every passing moment. With her wings restored, Aurora's face lit up with joy. She thanked Alika for her unwavering friendship and support throughout their incredible adventure. The two friends shared a heartfelt embrace, knowing that their bond would last a lifetime. As Alika bid farewell to her newfound fairy friend, she realized that the power of imagination and friendship could truly make dreams come true. She returned to her village, carrying with her memories of a grand adventure and a heart full of inspiration. Alika couldn't keep this incredible journey to herself. With a sparkle in her eyes and a pen in hand, she decided to write a book about her extraordinary experiences. She hoped that by sharing her tale in written form, she could inspire others to believe in the magic that lies within their own hearts. And so, Alika's book became a doorway to a world where dreams came alive, where imagination knew no boundaries, and where friendship triumphed over any obstacle. With every page she penned, Alika reminded her readers that they too had the power to turn their wildest dreams into reality. And that, my friends, is the story of Alika, the adventurous girl whose belief in the extraordinary changed her life and touched the lives of many others who embarked on the magical journey through the pages of her book.